What am I doing tonight? I think I got a cold. Everybody in my house got a cold. Picked up a few new gadgets, things. I'm going to make a series of videos tonight. So if you watch this one, you're probably going to have to wait for the other ones. Just short videos. First, but not least, is this. Let me turn the light on here. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. This is a, where's the name on it? It's a Miller's Falls Co. Made in USA, number 590. I didn't do any research, and apparently there's one screw missing. But I'm assuming it's Bakelite, because it's a level. It's a nice little level. Let me rub that thing off here and show you the lettering. Of course, I should have got a, what do you call it? A cloth a while ago. And I will show you what it says on here. It's funny, you go to like antique places and no one ever bothers to think like, maybe if you clean it a little better, you know, it might sell. So yeah, I don't know if you could see this. Should say Miller's Falls. I thought it was cool I bought this one. I was thinking what was that? Something fell down. Don't know what that was, but someone for a ride. I was thinking if it is Bakelite, see if it still works. I wonder if I do have a metal level here. Well, anyway, I would like to clean up, give it a polish, because it looks like it's solid. I should take it apart just for the hell of it. Where's my mini screwdriver? Seeing as I only got 3 screws to take apart in here, let's see. Let's try not to break it. Pretty sure I could make another flathead screw like this. I probably have some. There's so much old ass screws. I've heard of Miller's Falls before, but I've never bought any Miller's Falls tools ever. So it's my first encounter with Miller's Falls stuff. Let's go on this sucker. Some crud in the, some grease in the crease. Come on, there we go. Let's get that out of there. The good part, I mean, I don't know why well then again, I know why you'd get rid of an old level like this. It's pretty much because you're dead. So, yeah, it looks like that thing is, I don't know, what is it like? I don't even know what the hell. Some kind of plaster, I guess, in there. There's a little present in here. Some little poopy things in there. See? But yeah, I can give this a polish. Find another screw for it. I don't know if it's brass. See? It's got a brown brassy kind of tinge on it. I wonder if it's... Bet you I'll find out. Maybe it's tin coated and shit, I don't know. Well, it's got green on it. Yeah, green, kind of a green tinge. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Miller's Falls. I've heard of the Miller's Falls tools on the tool groups on Facebook. And seen some reference to them in some other groups. So, I'm going to have to look. Really good for a little tiny screw like this, because I'm going to put the last one at the end here. I don't know why it would have fell out though. Why would it fall out? See, at least it goes in, which is nice. Goes in tight. Yeah, but it's kind of a weird level. You can use it like this. Can't use it that way. You can only use it this way. Is it level? I don't know. Anyway, that's the cool thing. See? Ta-da, ta-da. Looks pretty straight to me. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching.